Okay, this morning we are looking at fraction. We want to look at fraction today. Then when we look at the way it has been written on the board, a fraction shows a part of a whole number. A fraction shows the part of a whole number. When we say fraction, means what? A part of something. Fraction means what? A part of something. Take for example here, you say if you cut a cake into 4 equal parts, that is what we call what? Fraction. You know your cake, you cut it into 4 different parts. Cake, you break it into 2, then you break it into another 2s, making 4 equal parts. And when you want to express that in fraction, it will be 1 over 4. It will be 1. That is one cake being sliced into how many? 4 parts. Those 4 parts are what? Fractions of that one cake. Alright? Then we'll talk about real life examples of fractions. What are the real life examples? Things that we see every day that shows us an example of fraction. 1, we say sharing pizza slices. Oh, yummy. Who does not like pizza? Yeah? So you see the way they divide it, right? Maybe a family of 5. You see the way the parts of the pizza is. Everybody takes their own what? Their portion. Everybody drags and takes their portion and take it into their mouth. Yummy. Right? So sharing pizza slices. Then 2, dividing money. Dividing money. For example, mommy was going out. She dropped 200 naira for both Femi and Bola, and they have to share it. 100 naira for Bola and 100 naira for Femi. So that is also an example. That is, they share it into 2. That is a single currency given to them by mommy is shared into 2 parts. That is 1 over 2. Awesome. Then the third example, measuring ingredients in cooking. I don't know why all of this has to do with food. Food. Everybody loves food. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay. Ingredients, of course, you know, they are also called condiments. The way they are portioned into food. Also, it can be a form of real life example. That is things that you can see, you can relate with. Of course, you love money. Of course, you love money. You love food. When I talk about cake, when I talk about pizza, because they are real life things that we can use to talk about fractions. All right. Lastly, we are looking at parts of a fraction. Of course, you know, we mentioned 1 over 2. Talk about one a currency divided into 2. We talked about a cake being divided into how many slices? 4. That is 1 over 4. 1 over 4. So we look at it here now. We are looking at the parts of a fraction, or parts of a fraction. Part of a fraction. Look at the top, look at the bottom. So the top, the number at the top is called numerator. Then the number underneath is called denominator. So we have numerator at the top, then we have denominator at the bottom. Yeah, lastly, we're talking about types of fractions. Types of fractions. So we're going to be talking about these types in our series to come. We have the first one is what? Proper fraction. Then we have the second one, which is what? Improper fraction. Then the third one is called mixed fraction. So it will interest you to know that mixed fractions are also referred to as mixed numbers. Somebody say mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. Alright. Then the last one is equivalent fraction. The last one is equivalent fraction. These and many more we're going to be talking about in our series on fractions, which simply means what? A part